Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? Before I say anything, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bells so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? If you turn on your post notification bell, bro, you will get notified every time I drop a video or a short or anything of that nature, man. So you won't miss out. You won't be late, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. As y'all can see and tell by the title, man, this is a nice POV cutting up in traffic a little bit. I have no gas, so the video will not be long, you know what I'm saying? It will not be long. And Cari crew, I'm thinking about bringing something to the channel, bro. I don't know yet. I was just looking at something today. And you know what I'm saying? It's a good bang for the buck and what it come with already on it, you know what I'm saying? So I know y'all it's not gonna be a Dodge. Just know that, it's not gonna be a Dodge, bro. So I know y'all, you know what I'm saying? Dodge is still Mopar, no car, you know what I'm saying, forever. You know what I'm saying? Mopar will always be my top pick. Mopar will always be my top pick, bro. But, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see, man. I'm trying to start something different. I'm trying to bring y'all some different content, a different angle, you know what I'm saying? A whole different build, you know what I'm saying? Starting over completely. So with this car, I was trying stuff and like doing, you know what I'm saying, stuff I'd be like, okay, I know this will go. But now when I get another whip or get another platform to start over, bro, like to do everything again from tint to this to that, oh, it's gonna be, man, it's gonna be smooth, man. It's gonna be smooth. But yeah, as y'all can see, we're in traffic right now. I'm gonna get y'all a little cut up footage, man. Just a little bit. I want to talk to y'all right quick. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I want to talk about this too, man, bro. As I speak right now, bro, we're almost at 9K, bro. Like, y'all boy get me to 9K, man. The first week of April, bro, I'm going to have 9K, bro. We're having 9K, bro. Y'all boy, go ahead and do that, bro. We less than 200 away, man. Like the video. Get the video to 100 likes, bro. That's the goal for every video, bro. Y'all hear that, bro? That's crazy. I know y'all hear that thing, man. But that echo and that shift, and I'm in street mode. My transmission is street, bro. My transmission is street mode, bro. It seems like my camera don't be zoomed out as much as it used to, unless I just gotta sit all the way back. I think that's what it is. Y'all hear the pops though. I'll see what we got going, man. But yeah, man, I know y'all hear that thing, man. I know y'all hear Olivia talking, man. There's a lot of traffic right now, so I can't really cut up like I want to, but I can make some noise, you know what I'm saying? But y'all hear that? All four windows down, man. All four windows down, man. Let's see what's going on, man. Hit it with another one. My Lord. Yeah, man, just a little slight little, you know what I'm saying? Slight little something, man. I'm gonna try to, hey, man, I'm gonna be posting like from this point on, this day to the end of the first week of April, bro. I'm gonna try to put out at least like, I don't know, if not a video a day, at least a video every other day. You know what I'm saying? Or something of that sort. I'm gonna try to. Car crew, you feel me? But man, y'all get your boy to 9K, man. Get your boy to 9K. We less than 200. We're less than 200 people away, bro. Less than 200 subscribers away from 9K, car crew, and then we on the real road to 10K, man. We on the road to 10K now, but then we literally like that's the next milestone. You know what I'm saying? 10K. And y'all know I've been talking about this 10K for a minute, man. So y'all boy, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching right now. You nigga, you. Yeah, man, it's a little traffic, man. Like I told you, I get busy around here, man. Like at a certain time of the day, they be getting busy. You know what I'm saying? I had to give me something to eat though. You know what I'm saying? Slight little panda. You know what I'm saying? Slight little panda. They ain't go 12. They go 12. Hey, I had to show y'all so y'all think I'm capping. Let me hold the camera back, man. I don't want them to see me. I don't want to see me holding the camera. You know what I'm saying? I got my window down. I had my windows up, it'd been alright. But yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Come on, man. I hear it bounce off the car like. Just listen with it. He rolled the window up. He rolled the window up. Hey, man, so much traffic. Damn. Bro, I know that wasn't my car. Bro, y'all heard that? Bro, that shit was loud. That shit scared me. I know that wasn't my car that popped. It sounded like that shit came from somebody else's car. Nigga, that's crazy. I caught that all on cam too. Don't hop in front of me, please, bro. Please. Go ahead, bro. Damn. You could have just waited, kinfolk. Your car crew, man. I know I really ain't talking like that. My bad. I know y'all want to hit the car anyway, but. Did y'all hear that pop though? I'm still trying to figure out where that came from. That didn't come from my car, bro. This shit came from somewhere else. That shit came from somewhere else, bro. That shit scared me. It sounded like it was from the side. If it would have came from my car, it would have came from the back. You know what I'm saying? I know the difference. I don't know what that was. It wasn't nothing over there that could do that. It drove by me, bro. So I don't know what that was. That jump was crazy. Oh, that jump was crazy. Y'all see that lovely sunset, man. Y'all see the lovely sunset, man. But it's a nice little scenery right. You saw the sun? How the sun hit? That's crazy. But yeah, man, I ain't even get to cut up for real, bro. I was supposed to cut up in traffic, bro. Like, I mean, I was making noise. I consider that cutting up a little bit, but y'all see the traffic was like literally light to light, bro. Like, it's a little room to like just do stuff, and then everybody slowing down, somebody in your way, all that other good stuff, bro. Well, bad stuff, my man, not good stuff. But yeah, man. But I'm keeping the video coming. You know what I'm saying? I know all along I'm trying my best to make them entertaining as possible. But hey, the video gonna keep coming, man. The grind don't stop like all the other YouTubers say. The grind don't stop, man. We on our way to 10K, man. We on our way to 9K right now currently. Then we hit that 9K, but we on the road to 10K, but we gonna have them 5 digits behind Cari crew, man. 5 digits behind Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy tap in. Join the family and get to it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So anyway, man, like I say, now the end of my video, man, you gotta go. You trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. And also, man, for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Talk to him every day. You feel me? Gain wisdom. There's a Mustang behind me. You know what I'm saying? Gain all wisdom, you know what I'm saying? From up above, bro. Just take it all in. Read the Bible, you know what I'm saying? Just learn and get your own understanding. Bro, looking at a straight face with glasses on. Oh, now you go. He's so lame. He had to get serious and then you want to do that. He was looking straight. Bro, y'all should see how straight face he was looking, bro. That boy wasn't trying to wasn't trying to move a muscle. But yeah, man. We're at the gas station, y'all can see, and guess what? I'm not getting gas. But my bad, bro. I don't want all over the place. I was saying some stuff, some extra words I wasn't even trying to say. I was distracted by that Mustang. But like I was saying, man, for my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Learn everything under your own understanding, bro, so you can know, you know what I'm saying, what you're getting yourself into. For my religious folks, for people that, you know what I'm saying, be trying to learn every day or like get more into it, more in tune, things like that, bro. Learn stuff for yourself, man. That's all I'm saying. It's okay to listen to somebody, but always, you know what I'm saying, what they call it, double check, you know what I'm saying? So, appreciate y'all do that. And since I stopped, I'll at least show y'all for all the real Cari crew that make it to the end. If you made it to this part of the video right here, me showing the outside of the whip, you know what I'm saying? Say, I don't even know a word. Say, put Olivia in the fire emoji or something. Put Olivia with the emoji. If you made it this far to the video, see the outside or the whip at the end. But yeah, man, all the people that don't know, you know what I'm saying, carbon fiber, you know what I'm saying, with the hints of yellow, you feel me, on big Olivia with the 5 spot. I just washed it too, by the way. You know what I'm saying, y'all see, man, that mother pretty clean, man. That mother pretty clean, man. Y'all see what's going on. Can't show y'all too much, but yeah, I see what's going on. But yeah, man, this is a wrap for this video. I just want to show y'all the outside view of Olivia before I cut this off. And like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.